A pleasure to be here, and you were very consistent in your invitation. Every time we spoke over the phone, you always said that you have to come to Pakistan. So finally, I said also to my team that we really need to find time. And as you know, in this calendars, there's too few days. But we found this day, and I'm happy that we are here. And also, I really want to commend you on facilitating the talks between U.S. and Iran. It's a conflict that is having an impact on everybody in the world when it comes to the energy prices, when it comes to the prices of fertilizers. So this is really what we need to see: a ceasefire really holding, and then the talks continuing. But I think also the momentum of 2026 is to develop EU-Pakistan relations into more forward-looking footing. We have this contested geopolitical environment. We have raising tensions everywhere. We have real risk of escalation, and like we were discussing, we also share the priorities when it comes to the rules-based international order that we need to develop further. We are working towards global and regional stability, which is in both of our interests. We also promote free and fair trade and investment, and also advance sustainable connectivity. So I really welcome in this regard the strong momentum for EU-Pakistan trade relations. EU remains by far Pakistan's largest export destination, and I was surprised to hear that it's actually more than US and China combined. So we really are your market. While Pakistan continues to be world's leading beneficiary of the generalized scheme of preference plus system. So this is really showing that the partnership is not only commercially significant, but it's also driver of the growth. And beyond trade and investment, there are other areas where we can explore the deepening of our ties. So when it comes to resilience building, when it comes to climate, when it comes to digital infrastructure, when it comes to migration mobility, and really these are investments in long-term partnership. And really looking forward to our discussions today about the regional but also global developments, and how we can develop our relationship even further. So thank you for having us here.
पाकिस्तान और यूरोपीय यूनियन के दरमियान 8वें स्ट्रेटेजिक मुज़ाकरात का आगाज़ होने जा रहा है। ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स दे रहे थे नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म वज़ीर ख़ारजा मोहम्मद इसाक डार। उन्होंने कहा कि यूरोपीय यूनियन के वफ़द को पाकिस्तान आमद पर खुशामदीद कहते हैं। मोहम्मद इसाक डार ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान यूरोपीय यूनियन ताल्लुकात को मज़ीद मजबूत बनाने का अज़्म रखता है। इस मौके पर यूरोपीय यूनियन की आला नुमाइंदा खारजा उमूर काया क्लॉस ने भी बात की। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान का दौरा करने पर बेहद खुशी है। अमेरिका ईरान मुज़ाकरात में सालिसी पर पाकिस्तान का किरदार काबिल सिताइश है। मौजूदा हालात